Hello guys! Welcome to Succulents for Beginners channel. In this episode, we will propagate ZZ plant from leaves and stem cuttings using water propagation method. Let's start! Let's cut the stem about 3 inches or longer. Place in water. Make sure all bottoms reaches the water because the water level may decrease due to evaporation. So let's make sure they are well soaked. Place them in bright shaded area. Avoid direct sunlight so as not to get dehydrated. Remember, they don't have roots yet. Let's see how they are doing after 3 weeks. These stem cuttings started to develop bulbs. These leaves are also starting to develop bulbs. They are bigger compared to the stem cuttings bulb. Let's compare side by side. Let's continue this experiment and see the result after another 2 weeks. That's 5 weeks in total. After 5 weeks, I can see roots now. Roots are many and long in the propagated leaves. While these stem cuttings are still developing bulbs and no roots yet. Let's compare side by side. Now, let's wash the jar and replace with clean water. Put them back in place and continue this video series. Which one do you think will grow shoots first? Please leave your comments below and let's find out in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy succulents gardening!
Mm-hmm.